Hey guys, Rachel here. I'm about to show you a brand new 2025 unit that I absolutely love. It is a coach, so there's no bunks. So if you're looking for a coach, if it's you or you and your spouse, this is a great unit to come see. I'm excited to show you. Now, if you do come to the Waco office, ask for Rachel. I actually do this for fun. I love doing it, but I am here in the Waco office, so ask for Rachel if I have helped you in any way. All right, guys, let's go from the outside in. You let me know. All right, we got our East-West Della Terra. It's a 2025 model 261RB. So it's got a rear bath. Nice long slide right there. I love their new look. Really do like it. You got a nice long awning right here. And you'll have your backup camera prep. And it does have power stabilizers as well, and a tankless water heater, which is great. All right, but let's take a look inside. All right. I love this unit. I love what they did. All right, right when you walk in, you have a nice big closet area with adjustable shelving and, yep, washer and dryer prep right here. I love that. And across from that, you got your back, the rear bath, and it's got a nice big shower. Plenty of space right here, porcelain toilet, nice. Plenty of counter space as well, nice big sink. And then you do have that storage and little cubbies on the side as well, which is really nice. Maybe you use it for towels or whatever, but I like it. And a little bit of storage space right there, I like that. But again, plenty of space to sit down and not bump your knees. In our living room, we've got theater seating, and this particular couch is actually extended wide. It's very long, much longer theater seating than I've seen actually. You got beautiful big windows in the back. Of course, it is covered right now, but they are very nice. And across from that, you do have your entertainment and your fireplace. Very nice. You've got a beautiful kitchen area with beautiful backsplash, counter space, nice big sink. You've got storage below and above. You've got a 3-burner, an oven, and your microwave, and a nice big fridge. So plenty of space to put all your goods. And then across we have our dinette, which of course goes into, you can make it into another couch, another bed, or leave it as is. It does have storage underneath as well, but it's really nice size, nice and big, plenty of space. I love this unit. I love the space that you get. I love the colors. Very nice. They did very well. Over here, we've got a master bedroom with plenty of space to walk on both sides. You've got storage and night side tables. Goodness. Side tables on the side as well. Nice big bed. And then you can put your entertainment right there in the corner, but very nice size, plenty of room to get around, and I love the barn door style as well. It just saves room as well, and it looks nice. But what do you guys think? I would really like to hear. The price is great. For 2025, they did very well. I think it's $34,900, but I absolutely love this unit. Great. Honestly, the colors are different from their last one, so I love the colors, the brown, the white, the black. I guess it might be charcoal gray, but I really, really like it. But I want to know what you guys think. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Of course, if you're coming up here, call, text, email, or come up here and see me, ask for Rachel. Would love to help you guys out. And until next time, guys.